more about how you feel about the branding and what the process was like?
Sure. So I guess I'll start by saying that I absolutely love the new brand. I think it's very me. It's more me than something I created myself, weirdly, which I think, and I think that's a reflection of the amount of work you put in, Cara, in understanding me, my business, my goals, my customers. There was obviously, as you know, there was a lot of work involved from me in terms of thinking through, my business and who I was serving and what I was looking to achieve, and also about me, because obviously it's a personal brand. But that was all so worth it, because the first options that came back for the brand, they were all brilliant. And I could see myself moving forward with any of them. The one I've gone for is actually the one that I felt was the sort of, I wouldn't say the bravest out of them all. It was this one that was slightly more out there, and sort of, the kind of the one that surprised me the most. And I absolutely love it, because I think I never would have asked you for what I have. If I was briefing a designer without going through a branding process, I never would have ended up with this, because I myself would not have been so bold. But I think it's a really good reflection of me. It's a really good reflection of my business. I absolutely love it. I'm excited to use it. I get so much wonderful feedback. I feel like it's elevated things more. I love how that you spent the time making sure that we covered everything. So, from my Facebook group banner and LinkedIn header and social posts, and like, there's so much. I just love how everything now is really consistent and really professional and really cohesive, and it all just ties in together brilliantly. So thank you.
Oh, thank you. That's so lovely to hear, like, especially about the fact that they feel really you. That's so nice as well. And I think I saw a couple of comments on it when you shared it on Instagram, of people saying how you it was. And it was great that I'm really pleased that we were able to distill that essence of you in the process. So thank you so much for the really kind words.
Oh, no problem. And like I said, I honestly mean this, that the one we've gone for was the one that I did feel was the more not risky is the wrong word, but the more out there option. But I absolutely love it. I love the fact that it isn't what I would have asked for, but it's totally what I wanted. Does that make sense?
Absolutely. And that's so common, I think that's part of it. That's why we do the process the way we do it. So it's not like you come with a Pinterest board and tell us what you like and we recreate it. We work backwards from who you need to serve and what your USP is and how to stand out, and then we come up with something that's a bit different. So there's